The fella that owned the junkyard did have a steering wheel that I wanted, but he wanted my old steering wheel back. And I'm not sure that I wanted to trade him steering wheels and to give him money. So I'm thinking that over. In the meantime, I'm going to borrow this steering wheel off of one of Matt's old trucks just so that I can try out driving the 600 with a smaller diameter steering wheel. So I'm over here at Matt's house about to steal his steering wheel off the white truck, which is actually looks like a either Lincoln or Mercury steering wheel. Oh, that truck's in the air. I'm just gonna walk around. I don't feel like going through the shop. So let's go around this way. So there's the white truck in question.